Welcome to this quick guide where you'll learn how to log in to your Gusto employee account. Whether you're new to Gusto or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step to make it as easy as possible. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to gusto.com. Gusto is a popular platform used by many employers for payroll, benefits, and other employee-related services. It's designed to be user-friendly, so logging in should be a breeze once you know how. Once you're on the Gusto homepage, you'll see a variety of options and resources, but what you're looking for is the option to sign in. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and it will take you to the login page. Now, let's talk about entering your credentials. This part is crucial, as you'll need to use the personal email address that your employer used to invite you to Gusto. It's important to ensure you're entering the correct email address, because if there's any typo or mistake, you won't be able to access your account. Double-check your email address if needed. Next, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure you're typing it in correctly, paying attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters, and special characters if your password includes them. If you're ever unsure about your password, Gusto provides an option to reset it, so don't worry if you run into trouble. Once you've got your email and password entered, you're ready to sign in. Look for the blue sign in button. It should be pretty prominent on the login page. Go ahead and click on it. If everything is entered correctly, you should be directed to your Gusto employee dashboard, where you can access your payroll information, benefits, and more. If you encounter any issues logging in, Gusto offers support options that you can explore. Often, the issue might be as simple as a typo in your email or password, so it's always worth double-checking these first. However, if problems persist, Gusto's support team can assist you further. And there you have it. Logging into your Gusto employee account is as simple as that. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident accessing your Gusto account whenever you need to. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to check out more guides for other tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.